EK-8007C touchscreen digital barbecue thermometer. Product show. Now, let me open the battery compartment of the thermometer and insert two AAA batteries. Then, switch power on the thermometer to turn it on.
How to start to count up timer.
Firstly, set the switch mode to timer, enter to timer mode. Secondly, the display shows 0000. Touch SS button to start timing. Thirdly, touch SS button to stop the timing. Finally, touch MM and ST button at the same time to set the timer.
How to start to countdown timer.
Firstly, press MM to increase minutes. Secondly, press ST to increase second. Thirdly, the alert will beep when the time each to 0000.
How to set pre-programmed temperature.
Insert the probe to the connect port of thermometer. Firstly, set the switch mode to cook, enter to cook thermometer mode. Secondly, press M/M to select meat type, beef, lamb, veal, hamburger, pork, turkey, chicken, fish. Thirdly, press S/T to select taste level, well, medium well, medium rare and rare.
How to set the target temperature by myself.
Firstly, hold the S/S to enter the manual target temperature mode. Then the temperature will flash. Secondly, press M/M and S/T to select your desired temperature. Thirdly, press S/S to confirm your setting. Finally, your target temperature will appear on the LCD screen. Begin cooking.
How to select the Celsius or Fahrenheit.
Press S/S to select Celsius or Fahrenheit.
Alarm reminder function.
When the temperature of foot each to the target temperature, the alarm will beep to remind you.